Today, we're back on Lawyer's Bar. I just try to get a match. I'm about to play a little bit with this new skin I got, and let's see how this goes. I don't stand out that much. Alright. That took a little minute. Look at this guy. Look at this little petunia. Hey, fellas. Yikes.
Three kings.
Hold on.
Liar! Liar!
You just... Oh. Oh, wait.
Well, ain't my first rodeo. Huh.
That's crazy. First bullet. Yikes. Alright, that happened.
Two kings. One king.
You guys think he lies on his opening? Do you like to lie on your opening? You're not gonna answer me?
Liar.
Guys. Woo! That was scary. At least see my little jewelry. Oh, I see myself with the little Hawaiian shirt. King's Table, watch this. Y'all finna be amazed by this.
Three kings.
Right, so here's the play.
Some three kings.
Yeah, he didn't expect that one.
Whoa! Someone's liar.
Yeah.
Let's see if luck's still on my side. Two.
Alright, is it King's Table?
Two kings.
I swear those are kings right there. Straight
One
kings.
king.
Nice.
One king. Whoa!
Can I have that shotgun and just shoot it?
One king. Liar. This is not the worst mistake I've made. Alright. You got me.
Last match. Fuck! Okay, let's try this again. What the hell? Okay, we're finally, first match. Hey, doll. Hey, Tunces, give me a beer. No? Okay.
Game over.
Lights.
Time up. Two aces.
I got 3 aces.
One ace.
The monkey back there.
Game over.
I can't throw down my cards, dude. Back to me again. I literally can't do anything, dude.
One ace.
What's meaning?
I can't. What the hell is happening today?
Two kings.
Two kings.
Yay.
3 kings.
Liar, liar. Well, ain't my first rodeo. Phew.
Let's see here. Let's see what they get. Oh. Wait, guys. Do you realistically think if I threw down 3, he would call it again?
Two queens.
3
Lights out.
queens. Time up.
That's a bold bark. 3 queens.
See, now that's gotta
One
be.
queen.
Y'all think she lying? I do.
Liar.
Just kill me! Just kill me!
All right. You got me.
Kill me! No! Okay, yep, same round. Yep, I have 1 card right there.
3 kings.
Whoa.
No problem.
That's a bold bark.
Two kings.
2 kings.
Ow! I don't have any cards.
1 king.
Time up.
They believe.
哎呦，这边兄弟，你鬼叫啥呀？兄弟，你鬼叫啥啊？吓我一跳！
I'm gonna turn off voice chat for now because that guy is.
Liar.
Come on,
Let's see
puppy
if luck's still
dog.
on my side. Huh.
Three kings.
3 kings.
Someone's feeling bold. 1 king.
One king.
One king.
He's gonna call it. I took too long and I already threw that. He
1
doesn't call it.
king.
Liar.
Let's draw a happy
Let's hope this bunny's still got luck.
Funny face.
Try harder, darling.
Oh yeah. Okay.
3 kings.
That's a bold bark for such a small bite. Well, ain't my
Peanut.
first.
Whoa, lucky little puppy dog.
One ace.
2 aces. Time up.
2 aces.
Two aces.
3 aces.
Aces.
I can't believe he let that work.
Two aces.
Liar.
Well. Get that tape. Get that tape. Oh. Be a dog.
1 queen.
3 queens.
3 call.
Liar.
Straight truth said to me.
Let's hope this bunny's still got luck. Try harder, darling.
I draw like the bunny rabbit.
Three aces. Time up.
Someone's feeling bold.
Ace.
Liar.
Me, a liar. It's pretty green to me.
Luck.
Two kings.
2 kings.
1 king.
3 kings.
Liar.
See, I didn't even call that. It literally forced me to. Y'all saw, I didn't even press that there. I'm Skyon.
I guess my debts are catching up with me.
Kill me! Well. Alright, well. I'm gonna wrap it up there. If you stop by to watch it, thank you. Consider liking it, maybe subscribing. Like I said, I appreciate you watching. Bye.